Look at him. He's...
She's happy for me. She's happy for... Look, she's happy.
It's okay. It's okay.
So what did you do while I was gone today?
Look at him! Look at him! He is traumatized.
He is traumatized.
You're a cat. How do you even understand what I'm saying? Oh my gosh.
You know, man, to do the dishes. It's so long.
Oh my god, I love him so much.
Oh no. He just said.